Introducing our fully automatic plastic lid making machine. The process begins at the feeder section where the plastic sheet is loaded and feeds smoothly into the machine. The material passes through the heater where it is uniformly heated to the required temperature. In the molding section, the heated sheet is shaped into perfectly designed lid using high precision molds. This guarantees uniform thickness and excellent finishing in every piece. Once the lid are formed, they move to the punching section where each lid is punched to achieve accurate dimension and clean edges. The process continues into the cutting section where excess material is trimmed efficiently, ensuring a refined final product. The remaining scrap is then managed through the rewinding section where leftover material is collected. Finally, the finished lids are transferred through the output conveyor belt, ensuring smooth handling and easy collection.